How to make vegan healthy chocolate chip gluten-free cookies. At home. Made easy.
So the first thing, add the
7 grams,
flaxseed to the
60 grams or
4 tablespoons of water to make our flaxseed. We're going to add
270 grams or
2 1/4 cup of gluten-free Bob's Bread Mill 1-to-1 baking flour.
I'll have the exact things that we use linked in the video description.
So
200 grams or
3/4 cup of
Granulated sugar.
200 grams or
we have cup brown sugar, formally packed.
Graduated cylinders are great because it has measurements on the outside to make it super easy.
170 grams vegan Carob-based caffeine-free chocolate chips.
The ones I'll have linked in the video description.
And then we're gonna let our flaxseed congeal. You can see how it's gelling.
Let me know in the video description if you want to see a video on how to make vegan egg alternatives.
We have 2 bananas here. We're gonna start with 1 regular sized banana.
We're going to lock it. We're using a KitchenAid. These are great. I really like it. I'll have all the affiliated things that we talked about linked in the video description.
Before we add the next banana, we're going to add the flaxseed to see how moist the dough is. Going to add another banana because the dough still needs a little bit more hydration.
6 grams or
1 teaspoon of baking soda.
6 grams or
1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
You can use Madagascan or Tahitian vanilla if you want light floral birthday notes or the deep roasted notes. Or you could alternatively use a vanilla bean, which would work equally as well, if not better.
So we have everything in and it's all mixed up. Now we're going to grab a cookie sheet and we're going to preheat the oven to 375 and we're going to get a silicone baking sheet iron also to put on the cookie sheet, so then it's an alternative to parchment paper, so it's more environmentally friendly.
And also that way you don't have to use oil to make it non-stick, to make it vegan healthy chocolate chip gluten-free cookies. Because who doesn't want to eat more chocolate chip cookies?
So, we're gonna go get the cookie sheet.
The size and shape of your cookie dough balls will determine the texture and how quickly they cook. Thus, for most even cooking, make each ball relatively uniform to each other, about the size of a large coffee cupping spoon scoop.
Okay, well, putting the cookies in the oven. The oven's preheating. It's 8 to 12 minutes. We're gonna check them in 8.
To see if they're all ready. And if you need to rotate the tray, take the cookie sheet out of the oven once the cookies are GBD, golden brown delicious, and let them sit on top of the oven to set up and solidify, and then enjoy. Please like and share because it really does help. And if you like this, check out this gluten-free recipe.